Markets are excellent at pricing scarcity. They are terrible at pricing survival. This is not an opinion, it is a design limitation. Markets assign value based on transactions, demand, and short-term signals. A planet does not transact. The atmosphere has no invoice. Oceans issue no receipts. Extinction produces no bill until it is irreversible. By the time markets respond, the damage is already locked in. Planetary cycle theory explains why. Markets evolved inside stable planetary conditions. They assume predictable seasons, stable coastlines, reliable ecosystems, continuous growth. When those assumptions fail, markets misfire. Carbon pricing is a perfect example. A ton of carbon has one price today. Its real damage unfolds over centuries. Markets discount the future, planets do not. This creates a fatal mismatch. Short-term profit is rewarded. Long-term damage is externalized. Even well-designed markets compete against one another. If one economy restrains extraction, another expands to gain advantage. The system rewards the fastest exploiter, not the best steward. This is not greed, it is incentive alignment. Markets do exactly what they are built to do. They just are not built to manage biospheres. Planetary systems operate on thresholds, not margins. Once a threshold is crossed, collapse accelerates regardless of price. Ice sheets do not negotiate. Oceans do not hedge. Feedback loops do not wait for reform. This is why planetary restoration cannot be left to markets alone. Markets can assist, they cannot lead. In the next episode, we examine the only structure capable of acting at planetary scale, a planetary trust.